Everybody, and welcome to my channel. And today we're doing this awesome snack. It's delicious, it's super easy to make, and they're very fast. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, let's prepare the ingredients. Pat dry 350 grams of chicken breasts. Let's cut them into plates or slices, and then cut them into slices that are way smaller. Now let's put them in a bowl. Let's add half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of red hot pepper, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Now let's add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now let's mix it all together. Let it sit for about an hour in the fridge. And now let's cook it. Cook for several minutes until there's a golden crust. It should remain juicy. Now let's prepare 1 sweet pepper. Let's cut it into slices, and 60 grams of grated cheese. Now let's use some puff pastry and let's roll it out. Now let's add the chicken, the peppers, and the cheese. Now let's roll and cut them into 2 identical parts. Now let's place in a baking sheet with some parchment paper. In the bowl, add 1 egg and let's mix it together. Let's brush the top of the rolls with the egg. And on top, for decoration, you can also add some seeds, like sesame seeds and black sesame seeds. Send it to the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. When it's all done, it should look amazing and smell even better. And you can cut them up into bite-sized pieces and try them out. They're delicious, super easy to make, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching!